have a problem at all. Slide out like butter. If you're lucky, sometimes they just slide right out. But that right there, it's hard to see, but this tiny little seal is the only thing that seals factory. That's why we replace them with the nice aftermarket seals. These chunks coming off. Oh, 74 is dirty. So these are the Corksport seals. You just very gently slide them on. If they don't go on easily, you're supposed to push them from the center rather than the outside, because it's actually dished inward in the center, so the outside seals. So we're gonna grab a small socket that fits over one of these. Just like that. And they said there should be a small gap right here. I mean, where it is hitting, but that's right. It stops. Don't try to force it if it goes any further than that. Just like this.
Those are cool little machine things they made.
Yeah, this is a very, very good design. Way better than those other ones we used. I'm not going to say the name, but they're the other ones on the market, and they let go on my Speed 6. There we go. All done. Ready to seal. Get a 4-inch extension and put it on that torque wrench. The torque spec for this is 17 to 18 foot-pounds. I'm going to do 20 because I don't know if the torque wrench is calibrated, and I want to be extra sure that these don't leak. Corksport Injector Seals, all done. Bolts. That was a 10 mil. The torque on these is 13 to 16 foot-pounds. Sweet. Awesome. All right. She's done.